getting a lot of wind. We're getting over 20 knots of wind. Keeps going up to about 25 when we get the gusts. We're trying to decide what we're gonna do. Cause like we have to go over there. We're kind of sailing out here just because it's the only point of sail we can sail at. So it's coming from where we want to go. But it's I don't know. The wind's really strong, and we're not going where we need to go. So we might just end up pulling this in. It's really crappy out again today, and it was supposed to be really nice today. We're taking Lenny for his morning walk. Austin's just got the binoculars out. He's looking to see if there's somewhere that's sand that we can walk him, because where we went last night was like super gross. It was like a marsh. It was all like seagrass and stuff. Woo. Don't drink it. So we found a really cool, like a big shipwreck over here. It's like a sailboat, like a really big sailboat, but it's sunk on the other side of this. So we're gonna walk across and look at it now, see if we can see it, because it's pretty close to the surface. Lenny's excited.
It's cold.
It is cold. Look at Austin's sandals. Jeans and sandals. It's cold, but we still have to keep going through the water. Oh, I found another one of these spiky shells that you like. Oh, this one's together. This one's still together. Lenny's just obsessed with the water. Somehow the bugs are still bad, and it's middle of November. Look at, if you can see the two masts coming out of the water. Big sailboat. We'll go see. Wow. I think the sand has swallowed this thing up. It's under the sand.
It does look like that.
It's really weird. It's huge. Wow. Oh, dog's choking. That's crazy.
When we were coming in here last night, I was saying it'd be nice to get the dinghy and go around the boat so you could like see it.
But it's under the water, or under the sand.
It's in the sand.
That's insane. Like, insane. I can't believe that the sand would swallow something like this big up that quickly. Like, it's not a really old boat. Holy cow. It's under the sand.
That's cool.
This is so weird. Here, Austin, get beside it. That is freaky. Wow. It's a big boat. That's crazy. What on earth? Yeah. See if there's anything good in the boat. Wow. Well, I guess you can't see the boat. It's under the sand. Earth swallowed it up. Huh. Oh, Lenny's gonna get you. Get him, Lenny. Get him, Lenny. Ah. Lenny. He's chasing his own shadow. What is it, Lenny? Why are you leaving your jacket on here?
It's hot.